Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you wear makeup, you need a high quality makeup remover. These makeup remover face wipes by Cetaphil, you can see how well they are packaged, and they're just so gentle on my skin if I'm taking off any makeup or just washing the dirt off of my face throughout the day. It comes highly recommended, and this brand is well known for being so good for your skin. The package allows you to pull out each sheet and then close it to keep the moisture in. You can see the difference between the full makeup and how much it takes off. It is a clean slate where you can just take everything off from the day, the makeup, the dirt, the grime, the stress, and put it on this sheet. It's such a great thing to have and is easy to store in your vanity. This is just such a simple thing to have and makes removing makeup so much easier without damaging your skin. And that's my point of view.